No, not frosting.
Is this a piece of cake?
No, frosting.
Is that a frosting?
Yes.
Okay.
Open it.
Open it?
Yes.
You gonna get some cake?
Don't cover it.
Is this your cake?
Yeah.
You want that cake?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get this cake.
Is it yellow?
Yeah, is that a yellow cake?
Yes.
What's this, Georgie? What's this?
Frosting.
That's frosting?
Yeah.
And what would this one be?
Yellow cake.
You enjoying your piece of cake, Georgie?
Yes.
Okay.
Nice one. Making a good cake.
How can you send that into America for your video?
Cheese.
No, yes, you. Okay. Georgie, that is not your cake. George, you can't eat it. That's not your cake. That's frosting.
Nah, that's not frosting.
No, what is it?
No cake.
No, Georgie, that is frosting. George,
Yeah.
you gonna eat your cake?
No.
Here's your cake.
That's not
Here's
cake.
cake.
That's
No,
frosting.
eat some cake. This is cake, honey. This is
frosting.
No, this is cake. That's frosting. This is cake. Eat some cake.
Now eat some frosting, George.
That's cake.
Yeah, eat some.
Eat some frosting, George.
Take
You
a
want
bite
some
of the frosting. Be careful with your eyes.
George, the good part of the cake is actually the real cake itself. George, you gonna give Daddy some cake?
No.
No. Why not?
Toby happily. I don't know how much.
You gonna give Daddy some cake, Georgie?
Yes.
Okay.
Want some?
Go give Daddy some cake.
It's for Daddy.
That was for Daddy. Was that Daddy's cake?
Yes.
Just what he did. A little bit of the cake was
It's for Daddy.
I can't let you make a mess. Because nobody really want a cake. Come on, I want a cake. Alright, buddy, we're done. No, we're not gonna mess the cake up. We're done.
No.
Yes. Just cut some frosting.
No, that frosting, that's cake.
Just cut him some cake. Alright, Georgie, gonna say that's enough.
No.
Please. Georgie, that's enough cake.
No.
George,
Yes.
you're making a mess on the cake.
What are you doing, Georgie?
Don't do it.
Georgie, what are you doing?
Just stop.
Georgie, there's enough. There's enough
One
cake today.
One cake?
Yes.
Okay, take a cake and close it up. There's your cake. Cover it up. Quick. You're making a mess.
I covered the tin off, did you?
My mom, do you want some?
Yeah.
No.
Thank you. Thank you for the
Just
food,
cover it
Mommy.
and put it in.
Thank you.
Cover it and put it back in the fridge.
We have to put it back in the freezer.
You have to go back in the fridge. It's too hot.